Hi, welcome to a brand new video. As you can tell, it's one of the biggest Lego Technics I think they do. This is going to be quite a big build. There's power function as well, so it'll be moving. It goes slowly across the rope, across the desk. It also comes with a cool little dumper truck as well. You've got one motor, I think it's one motor, and battery box. It opens up like this so you can see the inside, what it does, how it moves, and the buckets turn, and all sorts. It's just pretty cool. I think this arm actually you have to move it by hand, but otherwise it'd probably be 3 or 4 more motors to do that. Right, I'm going to open this up and I'll take all the bags out, find the first bag or two, and I'll be back with you on that's all. Bag 1 separated. I've just left them in as a pile because I can't be bothered to do them all set there. But then you got all the other bits vaguely knolled. A couple of things also. Big sheet of labels, quite a few, or big ones anyway, a few big ones, which are quite nice details. And also with bag 1 you get these. Now I'm not opening these. These are for what the bucket picks up when, or supposed to pick up when you test it, so there's no point opening these till later because these will go everywhere once you made it, so there's no point opening these unless you want to leave these in the bags. No point, might as well put these, name these up to 12 or whatever. There's 8 bags, sets of bags, and there's a lot more bags than that, so it'll take a while to do, so I'll chuck them away. So the first bag is basically the dumper truck, which is quite a cool build. So that's one separate build to put together, and then obviously the rest of it's going to be for the rest of the digger. So have fun, hope you enjoy the music too as well. So see you in a bit once I've done the bag 1. Bye. And that's the first Lego bag done. It's quite a cool little build. This is just for a small thing. You got the front wheels turned by this. You move it along, slide it back and forth, and move it around like that. And also, you turn this in the dumps, which is a pretty cool little design, little mechanism. You don't done that much, surprising really, but it opens up quite nice little mechanism. Simple as well. Quite a cool little build. You've got like where the driver's cab there, where that orange bit is. Some texture around there, some labels on there. I'll take that off and put it on again because that's a bit wonky, that one. That's cool. Right, that's bag one done. I hope you liked the video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, please. Share with your friends. See you soon with the next video. Bag 2. Start building a big part. See you soon. Bye.